Hi all, I am Dr. Danish Salim. This mnemonic is a story. This is a common question which is coming in NEET exam. So this is the first step, this is the second step. In citric acid cycle, you have to remember these three mnemonics. So if you cannot remember this, another mnemonic is there. What is Krebs cycle? Krebs cycle is a part of cellular respiration which helps cells break down food to create energy. This process is called oxidation. The food that we eat or drink provides our body with energy in the form of glucose. Krebs cycle or TCA cycle is a metabolic pathway. It's really a series of reactions that occur in both plants and animal cells. The Krebs cycle is the last step of cellular respiration wherein glucose with the help of oxygen from the lungs or from the bloodstream is broken down into carbon dioxide and water. In the first part of cellular respiration, glycolysis happens. Glycolysis occurs where one molecule of glucose is converted into two molecules of pyruvate. These two molecules then enter into the citric acid cycle, which results in the formation of carbon dioxide, NADH2 and FADH2. They are then transported through oxidative phosphorylation to form ATP, that is producing around 36 ATP per glucose molecule at maximum efficiency. Krebs cycle is known as an amphibolic, both anabolic and catabolic pathway, because in Krebs cycle both anabolism and catabolism occur. So to remember Krebs cycle or TCA cycle, it is very difficult for students and there are a lot of questions which are coming from the same topic. So I will make it very simple with the help of a mnemonic. Most of the instructor, what they do, they pick from the first letter CIASSFMO. Very difficult to remember, right? When they are going for exams, they will not be able to remember what is C, what is I and what is A. So I will give you a mnemonic. So this mnemonic is a story. By this mnemonic, you will know which all the substrates which are available and in each step, how many carbons are involved. Such questions you will be able to answer with the help of this mnemonic. So this mnemonic is a person is trying to reduce the weight by following different diet plans. Okay, this is the story's outline. So first what he will try? First he will try citrate. Citrate is lemon. So he is trying with lemon to reduce his weight. So it is not successful. So what he will do? He will try similar to something which is similar to lemon. He will try again. Isocitrate. So both are not successful. So what he will do? His friend will say to follow keto diet. So he will follow keto diet, that is alpha ketoglutarate. After trying keto diet, with the help of the friend, he succeeded. That's why succinyl coenzyme. He succeeded with the help of a friend. Then what he will do? He will do it alone. He will do it alone, that is succinate. So what he did? He invited his family, that is fumarate. Then he went to Malta to eat ox meat. So keto diet is mainly meat. So he went to Malta for eating ox meat. So what is the story? For weight loss, one person have tried citrate first. Then he tried isocitrate. Then he tried keto, that is alpha ketoglutarate. He succeeded with the help of a person, that is succinyl coenzyme. Then he succeeded himself, that is succinate. Then what he did? He invited his family, that is fumarate. Then he went to Malta, that is malate. And he went for eating ox meat, that is oxaloacetate. How easy it is. So if you cannot remember this, another mnemonic is there. Another mnemonic is citrate is Krebs starting. So citrate is isocitrate, Krebs, that is ketoglutarate, starting, that is succinyl coenzyme. Substrate for making oxaloacetate. Citrate is keto starting, substrate for making oxaloacetate. Substrate, that is succinate, for, that is fumarate, making, that is malate and oxaloacetate. So this is another mnemonic to remember. With these two mnemonic, you will be 100% you will be remembering this in your exam. You have to remember where NADH2 is producing, where FADH2 is producing. These are some of the questions you can expect. So you have to number it. So this is the first step, this is the second step, this is the third step, this is the fourth step, fifth step, sixth step, seventh step, eighth step. Then only following mnemonics will help you to crack the exam. So this mnemonic you have to remember. 4, 6 square, 5, 4 square, 4 square. How many carbons are involved in TCA cycle? In each step, how many carbons are involved? This is a common question which is coming in NEET exam. So for remembering this mnemonic you have to remember. 4 6 square, 5 4 square, 4 square. Can you repeat? 4 6 square, 5 4 square, 4 square. So what is this? So that means in first step you are having 4 carbons. In second step you are getting 6 carbon. Third step also you are getting 6 carbon. In fourth step you are getting 5 carbons. In fifth step you are getting 4 carbon. In sixth step you are getting 4 carbons. In seventh step you are getting 4 carbons. And in eighth step also there are 4 carbons. So you just have to remember this to answer these questions. Another question which can come in the exam is where NaDH2 is there. So NaDH2 you have to remember 2, 3, 7. Carbon dioxide is in the step of 2 and 3. Where is GTP coming? GTP is coming in 4. And FADH2 it is in 5. So how to remember this? 2, 3, 7 you have to remember. Then you have to take only 2 and 3. Then after 2 and 3 it's 4. After 4 it's 5. So 2, 3, 7, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Only you have to remember NaCO GF. So Na is NaDH2, CO is CO2, G is GTP and F is FADH2. If you remember NaCO GF, NaDH2, which are the steps? 2, 3, 7. 2, 3, 7 are the steps where NaDH2 is there. In where is carbon dioxide is there? So step number 2 and 3. After 2 and 3, it is GTP. And where is FADH2? FADH2 in step 5. So this is the mnemonic. In citric acid cycle, you have to remember these 3 mnemonics so that you will be able to answer all the questions which are coming in NEET UG exams. So I will come with another good topic soon. Take care all.